How to create a YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel. It's a very simple process to learn it. Watch this video till the very end. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube app. So here you go. After opening your YouTube app, then you will see a profile icon at the upper right side. So tap on here and then now tap on your channel. If you haven't created a YouTube channel on this Gmail account, then you will see a interface like that. Now from here you have to tap on this pen icon next to the name. So tap on this pen icon, and now here you have to type your YouTube channel name, and after type your YouTube channel name, then tap on save at the upper right side, and then now tap on picture, and then now tap on gallery, and from here you have to select a picture for your YouTube channel profile picture. After tap on your picture, then tap on save as a profile picture, tap on here, and then it will take some time to upload your picture. When your picture is uploaded, then tap on create channel at the middle, tap on here create channel, and after that your channel will be created. And here as you can see that my YouTube channel has been created. So following this simple process you can create a YouTube channel. Now if you wanna upload a video, then tap on create and then tap on upload a video. So following this simple process you can create a YouTube channel and upload your videos on your YouTube channel. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.